Hey guys, I'm Jamie with New Age Marketing and Inside the City. I'm responding to Gary Vee's advice for rappers. Gary, that was some great advice because when I'm feeling a song and I love the lyrics, I always wonder what happened next. Like, what's the follow-up? What comes after that? You very seldom see a rapper come back with a response or a follow-up or just kind of follow a storyline throughout albums. I think that's really cool, and I really wish that more rappers would do it. So that was some great advice in my opinion. I think that a lot of rappers should consult some of your services to see what you suggest because you obviously know the market and you have a good feel for what people like. But after hearing that, I was like, man, he's right, you know, and I've thought that in the past, like, okay, what's next? So who's going to follow up with a song on that? Like, how do we know what happens next? So that is awesome advice. I really appreciate all your videos, and I'm trying to stay engaged with you. I'm on your path. And again, thank you for everything. That's great advice. I hope all you rappers out there start taking Gary's advice. Make sure you like, follow, and subscribe everything you can do. Thank you guys so much. Have a great day. And thanks again, Gary. This is for you.